Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Today is your QC class and our topic is attributes of Allah, which means Allah's virtues. It is unit 2b and page number is 12. Let's start reading. Attributes of Allah. Once people asked our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is Allah? What is He like? Allah told our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to read them Surah Al-Ikhlas. As you read in this paragraph, when people asked our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about Allah, Allah told him to read them Surah Al-Ikhlas. Let's start reciting of Surah Al-Ikhlas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And its English translation is, O dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say, He is Allah the One. Allah is the unwanting, perfect, does not require anything. He has no offspring, nor is He born from anything, and there is none equal to Him. In this surah, we came to know that Allah is one. He is selfless. He has no children, nor is He anyone's child, and no one can equal it. Here below we are given, do you know? We may gain reward equal to reciting the whole Quran if we recite Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times. Here we are given an information, that is, we may gain reward equal to reciting the whole Quran if we recite Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times. That means the reward of reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times is to recite whole Quran. Let's move on to the question answers. Our first question is, how many ayat does Surah Al-Ikhlas have? Our second question is, what is the reward of reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas? And the third question is, recite Surah Al-Ikhlas by heart with translation. According to the third question, you have to recite Surah Al-Ikhlas by heart, and the answers of question number 1 and 2 are given to you. On answer of question number 1 is, Surah Al-Ikhlas have 4 ayat, means answer is 4. And the answer of question number 2 is, the reward of reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times is equal to reciting the whole Quran. Answers of question number 1 and 2 will be written on the book. Okay? Let's move on to the next thing. It is exercise. Color the circle shapes green that contains the word mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas. Here we are given some words, and the words that are mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, we color them green. Look at your first circle. Here we have words have no offspring, and these words are mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, so we color this circle green. Now look at your second circle 3. It is not mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, Next circle is was born. It is also not mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas. Leave it. The unwanting, the unwanting, the unwanting words are mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, so we color this circle green. Has a wife. Has a wife is not mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, so we leave it. The one is mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, so we color this circle green. Needs us is not mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, so we do not color it. There is none equal to him. These words are mentioned in Surah Al-Ikhlas, so we color this circle green. This unit is finished. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.